Sapna, many thanks for joining us. So no big cushion there expected on account of the windfall tax. Now, air turbine fuel used by airlines gets cheaper in the national capital. Oil companies cut the price of ATF to 1,08,000 rupees per kilolitre from the earlier 1,17,000 rupees. This price cut will be applicable from the 1st of January for domestic airlines on routes across India. Here's the big story that we are tracking. Tech layoffs across Silicon Valley continue in 2023. Retail giant Amazon has plans to lay off more than 18,000 jobs. That's much higher than what they had planned initially. Salesforce has said it plans to trim 10% of its workforce. Both companies say they hired too many people during the pandemic. Rima joins us now with more details. Rima, the tech layoffs continue, in fact, accelerating.
Well, it's the new year, but the problems are old. Layoffs continue in the technology sector. Now, Amazon, which is the largest employer in the United States, has said that it's going to hand over pink slips to 18,000 employees. In the month of November, the expectation was that the tech giant would lay off 10,000 employees. But that figure has now expanded to 18,000 employees. It doesn't end there. Salesforce, another tech giant, has announced that it plans to cut jobs by 10% and also close some real estate offices. The company's chairman and CEO, in a letter addressed to the employees, said that the environment remains challenging and our customers are taking a more measured approach to their purchasing decision. He also said that as revenues accelerated through the pandemic, the company hired too many people, leading into it takes full responsibility for that. So the question right now is, would you say the tech companies are right-sizing or are they downsizing? By right-sizing, we mean that perhaps the employee base got too bloated and now they're getting it back into their right size. So is it right-sizing or is it downsizing? And the other question is, why did the tech companies get their hiring plan so wrong? Why did they hire so aggressively in the first place during the pandemic that they now need to, 18 months, 2 years down the line, need to course correct?
Rima, many thanks.